welcome back. So we had variably cloudy skies, made our way through the day today. At times we had some sunshine, but partly cloudy skies were the story, and also we had some scattered rain showers across the region. Here's a look outside right now as North Platte is staying dry, but mostly cloudy. We did hit high temperatures today, around 56 degrees, and currently temperatures are at 50 with the wind west-northwest around 14 miles per hour, and that dew point is at 29 degrees, so a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region. We're also at 50 at Ogallala, 52 at Imperial. The warm spot is Broken Bow at 54, and mid-40s out toward Valentine and at Hyannis. Now, here's a look at the winds. Still pretty breezy with that northwesterly flow. Wind speeds right now around 15 to 25 miles per hour, so it continues to pump in that cool air. And some of the strongest wind gusts across the region range from, say, 25 to even 35 miles per hour in some areas. Now, let's take a look at the Doppler radar. There are some places where it is dry, especially just north of North Platte, but some showers up toward the Valentine area, showers making their way through Arthur. Here's a closer look. You can see how widely scattered the showers are. So we got some activity out toward Broken Bow and Lexington in between the two cities north of Arnold, but we have another band from Wallace down towards south of Grant, north of Ogallala, so you could run into more showers to make your way through the rest of the evening. These should dissipate as we lose the daylight heating. Now, this cold front is the main weather maker across the country. More severe weather stretching from Illinois down toward Texas, as on the cool side of the system, some snow into the northern plains. And then high pressure to our south and west is in charge. So we're on its cool side. We have that cool flow directly from the Arctic. So cool air continues to filter in. We'll lose the shower chances tonight. Temperatures falling back through the 40s. And then we'll start to clear out during the overnight as we'll fall back through the 30s and into the upper 20s in some areas. And as we go through the day tomorrow, into the lower 50s with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Still a little breezy with that northwesterly wind getting temperatures down. Going overnight into Saturday morning, that's when it'll get pretty cold out there into the mid-20s to start, but by Saturday afternoon, we're back into the lower 50s. Still pretty cool for this time of year. Partly cloudy skies and breezy northwesterly winds. Here's what it looks like on the wide map. So the main low is exiting, giving more severe weather to the Midwest and then eventually the Northeast. This high is in charge of our forecast. So as long as it's off to our south and west, we're going to be in the cool air. A little bit more cloud cover for Sunday, but by Sunday afternoon and evening, high pressure to our west is in charge, and eventually we'll get a little bit more warm air working its way in for the day on Monday. Here's what it looks like as we go through the weekend. So we've got another cool pool of air over us. It will eventually work its way off to the east, so into the Midwest and Northeast, as the rain and even some snow showers, if you make your way further north, will also follow that low. But we have that slight warm-up, temperatures staying just a little below average for this time of year. Partly cloudy skies for the weekend as the rain moves off to our south and in the Pacific Northwest. So slightly cool, mainly dry, some sunshine as we go through the weekend, but it looks like at times it'll still be breezy to windy. So 53 tomorrow, 55 on Saturday. Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy skies, but up to 62 and 64 on Monday, as we do have a slight chance of showers later on to the day with rain likely under cloudy skies on Tuesday. Breezy conditions to start next week. Highs near 50 Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday, some remnant moisture is still possible, and we really can't get rid of the clouds and stay a little below average for next Thursday with a high of 62 degrees. Kent?
Yes.
Yeah, when we clear out, we can definitely get into the 20s.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. In Kearney, it was all about concrete today at the Museum of Nebraska Art as a